Hello friends, welcome to my channel Chalo Padhe. In this channel, you will get a very good knowledgeful videos. Through that you will get a complete knowledge about your subject, and today I am going to discuss with you class 9th IT 402. Chapter is word processor. Today we are going to discuss that chapter, and I believe that you will definitely like it, share it, as well as subscribe it. And through that channel, you will also share with your friends so that they can also get the knowledge from this channel. Now I am going to start my chapter, that is word processor, class 9th. In this chapter, first word that you must know about what is word processor. Word processor is basically, you can say MS Word is a word processor. Word processor means in which you can write, you can create, you can edit, you can format, you can print, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Word processor means where you can process your words so that you can show it to the other person in a presentable manner. So as I have written what is word processor, or you can say word processing, that is same as the name apply. It processes words. The words can be a paragraph, page, entire paper. That are the word processor. What are the example? These are the other word processing software like MS Word, WordPerfect, OpenOffice. These are the word processor which we can use, but most commonly we are using MS Word. Right, now next we will discuss what are the features of MS Word, or we can say what are the features of word processor. So the first feature for the word processor is that it is very ease and speed, means it is very easy to use, and it is very, you can do every work very fast. So it is a very fast as well as very easy to use. Second is in that you can do the editing. Editing means any change you can do it. Once I have written it and now I want to remove this space, I can increase the font, I can decrease the font, I can. What is this? This is called editing. So ease and speed means very easy and very fast you can do the work, as well as editing means you can do the needful changes whatever is required. Next is formatting. Formatting I have already shown you. You can decrease the size, you can make it bold, italic, underline, change the font. What is that? That is your formatting feature. That means MS Word or word processor is having a formatting feature. That means you can change the look, you can change the size. So next feature which we have discussed is formatting. After that we are having next is spelling and grammar. What it means? Spelling and grammar means in this you can check the spellings. You can see here this word spelling is wrong, but this is a word name, we can't change it. For example, I have written here a word color. It is showing an error in my spelling because in computer it is not taking you. So if you want to check the spelling, you can check it through spelling and grammar. You can even want to find the meaning of this, you can. You are having an option of spelling and grammar. By pressing the dialog F7, the dialog box will appear, and in that way you can do the needful change. If this spelling is resume, you want to resume it. If you want to change it, you can change it. So this is the next feature is spelling and grammar. Next is storage. That means you can save it wherever you want to save it. We will discuss each and every feature in a detail further. Next is mail merge. Mail merge means when I want to send the same document, same data to number of persons, that time I am using a male merge. Next is the OLE. What is the full form of OLE? That is your object linking and embedded. What it means? That means you can link the other files like Excel, PowerPoint, that you can embed it in Word. That is your OLE feature. So these are the main features which during this video or in the next part we will discuss one by one in a detailed form. Now, what is the difference between the application window as well as the document window? There are two things which we want to use it. That is the application window as a document window. Now, what is the difference between these? Document window means whichever document one you have opened, that is a document. I am doing file new. I am opening new document. But my Word is already opened. So that is your document window. And one is application window. My application is Word. In Word I have opened the document 1. So what it means, if I am closing it, I am closing document 1. I am not closing Word because Word is still open. So there is a difference between document and application window. In document you can even preview the on whatever is open, and in application, that means which application you have opened, that can be Word, Excel or any PowerPoint. Now what are the components available in this? That we will discuss next time. I think you must enjoy it and you will like this video. Thank you, friends.